Hey everybody, it's Dr. Max at Hair by Dr. Max Restoration Center. We're here with Jared, who had his hair restoration surgery 5.5 months ago. He lives in Colombia, so he traveled here from Colombia to have his procedure done. And we're more than pleased to see what kind of transformation Jared had. So this is his picture 5.5 months ago. This is his picture today, and you can see his hairline. And apparently he looked like this actually a month and a half ago. It means that he got such early improvement. Just at 4 months, he looked pretty much the way he looks now. We haven't seen him, right? Because you just traveled specifically. He had his hyperbaric session today, and this is the third PRP treatment that he's about to get right after we finish the interview. He was kind enough to give an interview. I just want to ask, how do you feel after seeing this tremendous improvement just 4 months after you had your procedure?
Honestly, it's amazing. I couldn't believe the recovery time was so fast. Only 4 months, and my hair looks how it looked 20 years ago. I feel a lot more confident, and I'm just extremely pleased with the results.
And remember, one of the things that we are unique and is incorporation of hyperbaric oxygen therapy right after the procedure. And Jared was very smart because he understood what that benefits. And how many sessions do you remember you had after the surgery?
The hyperbaric?
Yes.
I came for a complete week after. I did 5 or 6 in a row.
I think you actually had close to 12 sessions. I believe we continued.
Yes.
So basically what happens after the surgery, those grafts they require a lot of oxygen. And because we transact of the little capillaries after the implantation, having this hyperbaric session actually can prevent postoperative shedding of the hair follicle. And that's exactly what happens. Typically, when you have a typical hair restoration surgery, your hair will shed and they'll slowly start growing. At 5 or 6 months, you see very little growth, maybe 40% of the expected. But because in Jared's case, the hair did not shed, it just continued to grow like nothing happened.
Yes. Because
of the HBOT or hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Then by 5 months or 4 months, he already seen most of the hair growing. We're gonna see some more improvement over the next 6 months, but seeing that much after 4 months, this is really incredible.
Yes.
And I wanted to ask, how was your experience during surgery?
To be honest, it wasn't bad. Not much pain at all. I felt very confident and comfortable that you were there, being hands-on. I went to a lot of different hair restoration centers, and they typically delegate the job out to their staff or technicians, but I felt great that you were there. You were talking to me the whole time. It was nice. We had lunch together, and it was just a 1-day procedure, in and out, no problem. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, so it takes some time. Me, as a surgeon, I feel obligated to give everything that I can to improve your results. Jared mentioned that I do the entire procedure with my own hands from the beginning till the end. I never delegate anything to technicians because I want to make sure you get the highest quality grafts being harvested, and the same method of implantation. I implant every single graft one by one with my own hands. And this is important because these procedures are long and tedious, and every substandard treatment of grafts, how you handle them, how you count them, how you implant, how you harvest, can affect the end result. So our goal is to provide 100% efficiency, 100% quality from the first graft until the last one. And I think we got it at least 2,500 grafts.
Yes,
right?
Yeah. We did 2,500. We did the crown as well as the front.
Yes. So both areas are already growing, and we're gonna show you some pictures of the top of the head, as you can see before and after. And again, these results are essentially just 4 months after the procedure. So Today we're doing the PRP. Jared just finished. Do you feel strong after the HBOT?
Yes,
Yeah.
I feel great.
So to be precise, with HBOT, we have a hospital-grade hyperbaric chamber. It's very few companies actually makes this type of chamber. In his blood, he has 800% more oxygen now in every cell for next 12 hours. Okay, and we do it before the PRP because HBOT can stimulate proliferation of stem cells and help to enrich, to improve the results with the PRP, which is essentially a regenerative treatment. With any questions about the technique we use for hair restoration and about Jared's results, don't hesitate to contact us, 954-945-2909. It was Dr. Max from Hair by Dr. Max Restoration Center. Cheers.